Yo, my forehead is shining. Good. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Naango and thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is gonna be a day in my life of being at the north, at the village. So yeah. By the way, I said that we were going to the wedding, but we're no longer going. The wedding is actually supposed to be today, but we decided not to go and just spend time home because we're still like kind of tired, or my dad is tired, so I was like, that's totally fine. So I'm gonna I'm gonna take you guys through my day. The time is 6 minutes past 9 a.m. and I'm on my way to the kraal because my siblings are going to get some milk, and I'm gonna show you guys how they do that. So this is the cow kraal, the cattle kraal. These are goats. The background is my dad and the woman who stays at our house. How do I? Look at the kids. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at them. Are you actually getting something? Oh my gosh. How does it feel? Does it feel weird? Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Hi guys. Hi. Okay, please don't bite me. Imagine if you let him go. Her. So apparently this kid is actually a twin, and the mom hates feeding, doesn't like this one, so she feeds the other twin that's inside the kraal, somewhere in there. So she doesn't like feeding this twin, she wants to feed the other one. But why does it do that if it knows it gave birth to two? You just decide to hate. So he's saying it could be that this one is probably not even the goat. So we're done feeding the kids, and we also got some milk for ourselves, and I'm gonna cook lunch later, like at 11:30, and then for dinner we're gonna slaughter a goat and braai. So I'm excited about that, and also I'm gonna vlog everything. So yeah, I don't know if I'm allowed to vlog the slaughtering of the goat. I don't know, but I kind of do. But I'm gonna see if YouTube allows it. If they don't, then I'll just have to re-edit the video. But yeah, that's what's going on. Oh my goodness, the kids are just running out. There's so many. And then we got puppies. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Jesus, I want to take one home. Oh my
Mbona uligombo? Mbona mongozi?
Oh.
How enjoy that? Ala no gombo.
Okay, as I said, we're done. The last clip was just them trying to filter out the bigger goats, like removing the bigger ones, letting the bigger ones go eat, and then the smaller ones remain behind, because if the smaller ones go, they could actually be attacked by jackals, which is not what we want. So basically, in Ashanga we call it oshithima. So we just remove the bigger ones and the small ones remain behind. See you guys when we go on an adventure. Hi guys, so nothing much really went on. I'm still not sure if we're gonna slaughter the goat today or tomorrow, because I don't know what's happening. but yeah, I'm gonna take a shower now, and then I'm going to finish washing the pot that I have to cook porridge in, and then yeah.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Good morning, you guys. My dad woke us up at 6 a.m. or woke me up at 6 a.m. because I was supposed to take something to him. I look so tired. It's actually the next day. We're supposed to slaughter the goat. We're supposed to slaughter the goat yesterday, but we couldn't, so we're doing it today, right now. I'm going to go back and film what I can, and then I'll show you guys the whole preparation process if I will. I don't know. I'll see how this vlog goes. I feel like it's just days in my life at the north, honestly, because yesterday, the morning, that was pretty much what happened. So yeah, I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, wear clothes that I can wear at home because I'm still in my PJs, and then I'll get back to you guys. Yeah?
I was asking if you answered that you are trying to put meat in.
Katari ka mama pereki. Now I'm just gonna show you guys my quick morning skincare routine at the north. Yeah, mosquito nets, because my net broke yesterday. I think I pulled it too much and then it just broke. Okay, so for my morning skincare routine at the north, as I told you guys, I use the Johnson's even complexion soap. Then I use this micellar water, this pimple clear micellar. No, actually, I'm not using. It's not this one that I use. I use this blackhead clearing cleanser by Clean and Clear. I also use it in the evening, so that's how I guess my skin is really cooperating, because I use it twice a day. And by the way, it's so acidic. Yo, salicylic acid, ne? My favorite acid. And yo, don't inhale it too much. Brush my edges back for them to look normal. I'm just gonna spray my hair with conditioner. It's called oil moisturizing spray. It's not actually conditioner, sorry. But yeah. Next is my day cream, but I think my day cream is almost done. But what I've been using is this cleansing lotion mixed with my SPF 30. I think I'll just use the day cream today. Not a big deal. It's the one by Rose, by the way. And it gives me this blue tint because of the sunscreen that's in here. And we're done. skincare, brush my teeth. My skin feels really good. So now we're just going to go to the outside. Ooh, my skin looks so pretty. It looks so good. Hi guys, so I'm going to end the video here because I don't have anything more to add to this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of like a little confusing, but that was all I could provide for you guys. I'm a little tired. I have porridge that's on the pot that needs me. So yeah, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. And God bless you guys. Remember, he loves you so much. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Until next time, and let's get to 1,000 subscribers this year. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.